Hello everyone, this is your periodontist Dr. Geeta. Today let us know how to do brushing in the children. So when the baby is around 6 months of old, there you can see a single tooth from 6 to 7 months of age. So at this time it's better if we use a finger toothbrush which is easily available in the markets, and use a rice grain size toothpaste with that and place it on the brush and do the brushing with the finger toothbrush. Later on, when the teeth completely erupts in the oral cavity by the age of 2, at that age, it's better if we ask the child to do his brushing in a circular motions. Like if you just hold the toothbrush with the hand and the parents can help the child to do the brushing. So when we do in a circular motion, whatever the debris will be on the tooth surfaces will be easily cleaned off. Later on, after the child is around 6 to 12 years of age, it's better if we ask the child to do the brushing in circular motions and rotate it downwards. So in this way, whatever the debris is there on the gums and the teeth, that will be easily removed. So at these stages, fluoride toothpaste can be used easily, which is available in the market, so that it will be helpful as a prevention without the attack of any caries. So these are the small things which we can easily do in our day-to-day life and make the children's teeth smile more happier. Thank you.